Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable auto delete messages on Telegram. Friends, in Telegram you can very securely chat, and if you don't want that other will able to keep record of your communication, then you can very easily do it by enabling auto delete messages. So first you need to open the chat of the person you want to chat with. Now here you need to press on the name. Now here you will find the three dot option. You need to press here. Now here you need to press on start secret chat. Press on start. Now here a new chat window will open. So here we need to press on this three dot, and here we need to press on self destruct time. Here we can set time from 1 second to up to 1 week. So suppose I set time for 10 seconds and press on done. Now all the messages sent in this group will automatically delete after 10 seconds of opening the message. So friends, like this you can very easily enable auto delete message in Telegram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.